Hey, what's up, world? This is Emmanuel with Samuel's Son, Handyman. Today I have a client that the door got kicked in, so I'm coming to replace the door jamb and the trimming around the door. All right, let's see what today holds for us. Let's have fun. Yeah, so what we got going on here is they broke the whole door jamb and the trimming off the wall. Like, it's destroyed. So I'm gonna replace the whole jamb. All right, first things first, I need to remove the old door jamb using my razor blade to get through the caulking so I can start to pry it open. Yeah, as you can see here, I'm removing the weather stripping so I can get up in there. Then I'm removing all the strike plates. I'm gonna keep them and reuse the strike plates. They're in pretty decent shape. All right, so I got the old jamb off. So I'm gonna measure the new one I bought from Home Depot, cut it into fit, and start the install. So what I'm doing in this next scene is I'm cutting the trim to fit. Make sure everything's flush. I already got the measurements. All right, you go to finished product. I'll be back day 2 to do the touch-up paint. We out. You know the drill. Like, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thank you for watching. You dig?